Wonder if the sheep appreciate the views. Oh, I can see every raindrop hitting that water. That's how calm it is. Blinded by the light. It's raining. Welcome to the Lake District. I'm gonna go to somewhere and see if today is gonna present itself with some nice views, because last time it was just very low cloud and kind of mist and miserableness. But I can't remember where it was. I've got an idea, and I don't know if it's I don't think it's signposted, so this might be a whole lot of talk about nothing that doesn't happen, or something that doesn't happen.
Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your...
It's up here, possibly. Looks gravelly though. I don't like gravel. No, this isn't the one. Right, so it's not this one. What that means, well, you're in the gravel and a right turn, Clyde. Nearly got that wrong as well.
I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
Right, the magical mystery tour continues. It's definitely a right turn, I know that. I just don't know its precise location. It was definitely a little narrow road rather than a track, so it might actually be on sat nav. Look at that! Wow! Smell the wild garlic now. Making us hungry. There's dirt water looking all beautiful. I think we've passed my turning and it wasn't on the damn sat nav. No, bugger. No. That one will do it. Oh, it's tight up. All car parks, trust parks. We're not gonna stop, so let's go and have a nosy. I think this is the road. Prepare to be dazzled, possibly. I think I'm going to start something up called Wally Tours. We used to do it when I was at my last job, because we just get sent all over the place. and a lot of the directions weren't particularly good, so we used to say we were doing Wally tours. Surprised how many people don't know where they live when you ring up and ask them. Gravelly, dirty muck. They've shut the car parks, but I don't know if that's where I need to be. Hope not. Still climbing. Oh no, this is it. We have landed. Thank you. Turn around and do a quick snap. Where do we turn around at? Oh, I could have gone in there. Oh, how do we go forward? Now I'll have a look forward, see what's up here. Then we'll hit it from t'other way. Not sure if this comes to a dead end or not. I think it does. Look at this. Sun's come out for us and everything. There's an escapee cow in that field though. Looks like a belted Galloway. Must have decided that life across the border, there's loads of them. Life across the border is preferential to being in Jockernese land. God, it's like a little oasis this. Wasn't expecting this. Wow. National Barbecue Week as well. Let's get the old barbecue out. Isn't this absolutely stunning? Well, they put a big fence over the car park. They have. How am I going to turn around? Oh, you miserable farmers. Oh well, do a 4-point turn. But that's where I parked, I think, and it was like just mega wet, and I gave up. But I don't remember all this bit. Up on the visor, so sorry about the noise, but my face is a bit steamy up. But what a place to live. Bet they hate the tourists in the summer. Yeah, welcome to the gravel track. Right, let's see if we've got enough battery. If it runs out before I get to the bit I want to show you, I'll be not pleased. Because the run up to it will be just as nice, well, ish. Oh, here's Farmer. Oh, It's like we're stopping for a minute. Right, so we're not far off the prepare to be dazzled can't speak. Prepare to be dazzled somewhere along here. It's where the traffic will suddenly start getting busy. I think that's it, but what we'll have to do, we'll have to get off the bike. Prepare to be dazzled, park not downhill. There we go. Still recording, doesn't look like there's much left on battery though. Right. Oh, my backside's aching. This is it. Surprise view. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to be pointing at here, because my head when you're on the bike points in a different way as it does when you're actually walking with your hat on. But look at that. Wow.
Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination.
That breathtaking.
Be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
Didn't think I was this high up when you look down there. That is just absolutely incredible. Wow. In the distance you can see Bassenthwaite, and I think the camera won't pick it up, but I can see the wind farm as well. God, that is just stunning. There's a bit near Kirby Stephen on the back roads, and you follow this little Nadgery road, and you come around this bend. There's Armco. It's only a single track like this. There's Armco on your left hand side. You come around this right hand bend, and suddenly this view opens up, and it's absolutely massive. I think you're so used to being sort of looking at small roads and small distances between you and the next bend, and then this view opens out, and it is just incredible. Right, back to change.